Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook page to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your Facebook page, go to the social accounts and themes under your profile here at the bottom left, and then click on it. And then click into private account. In here, you're going to find all of the options of how to add your social accounts. For now, let's press Facebook. And this will require your Facebook credentials so you can log into your account. Once you're done with logging in, you'll find yourself in this page, where you can add your personal profile or your Facebook page. And to add it, simply just press Add. And as you can see here, accounts added is then equal to 1. And then I click Close. And now you can see application answers, the name of the Facebook page that I added is now into my private social accounts. And that's how to connect a Facebook page in Hootsuite.